Welcome. In front of me I have the XIAOMI Mi Watch, and today I'll go around unboxing just so we can see what's in the package with it, apart from the watch. So, here we go. It's the packaging. Seems actually kind of neat. Anyway, let's open it up. Rip that off, and here we should be able to get into the... There we go. To the watch itself. The packaging is fairly flimsy, if anybody cares about that. Got some really small paperwork here. And the watch itself. Now honestly, it looks smaller on the photo. Okay. I was expecting it to be a little bit smaller than what we actually have right here. This is an absolute unit. So we get the watch, then underneath we get charging base, which is magnetic. There we go. Also has a sticker on it. So you just kind of pop. Come on. Oh, there we go. It only goes one way. If you try to put it the other way, it actually will, as you can see, it won't want to attach correctly, but if you flip it over, it goes in there correctly. Yeah, so that's one thing. And under here we got more paperwork. Oh goody. Okay, so yeah, that's basically all we get in here, and let's just quickly just turn it on to see what we get. Anything? Oh, there we go, both keys. So let me just... Oh wow, that was actually really quick boot up. That was like instant. And the language selector already works a little bit smoother than what I had right here. Now this is the Redmi Smart Band, and let me just quickly show you what I mean. Ooh, this is bad. Like, this feels bad compared to this, where it actually smooths scrolls fairly smoothly. So anyway, I'm not going to be going over the setup right here. That will be done by someone else. So this was just a strict unboxing. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.